This is not an Excel file. XLR is from the old Microsoft Works suite. If you try to open it in Excel today, you'll get gibberish. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. We are going to convert this so it opens perfectly in modern Office. We're going to solve this XLR issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. You are dealing with an XLR file, which originates from the spreadsheet file family of formats. The Microsoft Works Spreadsheet file type is central to its architecture. The XLR file is a legacy proprietary spreadsheet format used by Microsoft Works, now discontinued. It contains tabular data, formulas, and charts, acting as the spreadsheet component of the integrated Works suite. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and highly specific to the Works application. Its design is simpler than modern Excel formats. Accessing its data requires a recent version of Microsoft Excel or an open source suite like LibreOffice that maintains conversion support for the discontinued Works file structure. The XLR file originated with and is formally handled by Microsoft Excel, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows provides minimal detail, so serious editing must be done in a spreadsheet application. Your first step in isolating the problem. Right-click the XLR file and select Open With. If Microsoft Excel is installed, use that. If not, try another option immediately. If the XLR file won't open, don't panic. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, use Microsoft Excel. Open Excel, go to File. Open, select All Files from the File Type dropdown and navigate to the XLR file. Next, rename the extension. Make a backup copy, rename the file extension to .xls or .xlsx, and attempt to open the rename file in Excel. Finally, save in new format. Once the file is open, immediately use File. Save as to save it as a modern .xlsx file to ensure permanent compatibility. Once it's clear that the XLR file needs more than a simple app claim, you're ready for industry-recommended software. The next solution is built to handle exactly this kind of challenge, so it's worth a shot. Stop worrying about corrupted data. FileMagick will instantly show you what's inside the broken XLR file, offering a chance to recover data that other programs would miss. Available at filemagick.com. I hope you learned something new about this file format. Share this guide with a friend who needs the fix. And as always, please like and subscribe.